Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love shopping at Walmart but don't want to pay full price, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share the latest Walmart coupon codes and tricks so you can save money on your next order. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple ways to grab the best discounts. Walmart is one of the biggest retailers in the world, offering everything from groceries and home essentials to electronics, fashion, and more. And the good news is, and with the right codes and promos, you can always cut down your bill. Here are some codes and deals you can try. Walmart 20, save 20% off selected online orders. New 10, flat 10% off for first-time Walmart app users. Free ship 25, free shipping on orders over $25. Save 15, now. Extra 15% off electronics and home items. Grocery, 10, get $10 off your first online grocery order. And here's how to use them. Click the special link in the description. Add your items to the Walmart cart. Enter one of these codes at checkout. Watch your total drop instantly. Pro tip, Walmart also runs weekly rollbacks and seasonal sales, so stack those discounts with coupon codes for maximum savings. You can also sign up for Walmart Plus to get free delivery, fuel discounts, and exclusive promos. So don't wait. These Walmart deals change quickly, and the best discounts are always limited. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start saving big at Walmart today. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and shopping tips, and let me know in the comments which deal worked best for you. See you in the next one.